Good day. I have here a Telesin 1R 4K dive case. So before I have purchased a Insta 360 original 4K dive case, costing about 3,000 pesos. But this is way cheaper, one third of the price. So let's unbox it and see the difference between the Telesin dive case for the 4K mode of the Insta 360 1R and uh, Insta 360 original dive case. So I have here the box. So we have here the box and the dive case. So as we can see, the dive case has a mount which appears to be a dual mount where you can put it like that or probably put it on in your helmet like that, or you can also have this remove and then uh, change it to the other one. Probably this is for the selfie stick. My bad. So the difference is almost the same, although the construction of the original is much thicker as against the Telesin. So let's just see if it would properly fit. Okay. Just have to remove it. Then place your 4K Insta 360 mod. So it fits perfectly. Okay. So as against the original tag case of the Insta 360, which is a separate lock before you can open. Okay. So it also snugly fits in the case. So the only difference with the case is that insofar as this Telesin 360, it does not have a logo, the Insta 360, and it does not also have the separate lock or opening, but the buttons are the same. The construction is almost the same, but the Insta Telesin is feels bigger, although the Insta 361 our original dive case is much thicker. So in a few days, I will try to test a water leak test in this Telesin Insta 361 or 4K dive case. Good day.